What is going on today, guys? So we have two Supras here. Obviously we have our sky Avery blue Supra, and we have a customer's car, which is actually the color of our car underneath the wrap. Some people always say, well, your car's white, why'd you wrap it white? Well, it's actually not white. As you well know, on a launch edition, you have a couple extra carbon fiber pieces that a base model GR Supra doesn't have. So we've mentioned them before on a couple of other videos, but today I'm going to show you how to install the carbon fiber passenger side pieces that are on the dash. Then we're going to also look at and install the carbon fiber Supra logo on the steering wheel. For the last piece, we're going to go ahead and install the Supra logos on the brakes with the wheels on. So I'm not going to talk anymore. Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so on all base model Supras, you don't have carbon fiber in this area. We're gonna add that right now. First thing you need to do is take a clean towel and just a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. It could be 100%, 70%, just somewhere near that range to clean it. And then we're gonna go inside the crack here. And we're gonna go back and forth, make sure it's nice and clean. This car has probably only about 1,000 miles on it. Not too worried about it being too dirty. They are gonna go in this direction. So they have like a little bit of a sharper direction here. So one goes up and to the left and one goes down and to the left. And then these pretty much go even with themselves for the most part. So we're gonna start on the top, and instead of peeling this all the way off, we're just gonna peel part of it. So you have a little bit hanging out underneath here, and you're gonna start in this corner. You go at a little bit of an angle and get it in there as close as possible. Once it's in there, make sure you're lined up back here. Give it just a little tap. So make sure this is flush. If this is not flush here, you're gonna have an issue with your vent not clearing. And so then you just give it a little tap down here. Once it's stuck, you can just go ahead and grab the backing and slowly but surely follow it down the line. And just like that, it's nice and flush, it's in. And I'll show you that again on the bottom here. I'm gonna go ahead and just so you know, you're confused about where it exactly goes, you can kind of just fit it in there first. Okay, so you see where it goes. Go ahead and peel back, go about 1.5 inches or so. And we're gonna go ahead and tuck this in. Gonna do the same thing over here. Make sure this edge near the vent is flush. Hold it down, and then make sure you tuck it all the way up in, and once it's tucked, you can just tap it. Make sure that side's stuck, and then you can just slowly pull this as you're slowly sticking this on. And voila, nice and stuck in place. Carbon fiber on. All this works just as it should. Now let's move on to the next part. All right, same on this side. We're just gonna go ahead, put a little dab on our towel. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. Go ahead and wait a second for this to dry. And then our Supra logo goes just like this on there. So we're gonna make sure that we start at the driver's side corner, and then we'll go on from there. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this back. Same type of deal, but not all the way. So we're gonna go in here, make sure she's good on both sides. Give a little tap like that. And just like that, and clean our fingerprints. Very simple, very nice, and just add that little touch. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off with a little alcohol, and then go ahead and peel this off, and you can get this lined up. That in the area that it needs to be. Press her on. No extra tools needed. It's always nice to add a hard card if you want, but and like that, you got a little GR badge. And so the first thing you're going to want to do to find the middle of this, you're going to want to go ahead and fold. So there's 2 points here. At the very top, put a little crease, and you can put another little crease at the bottom. Try not to crease the actual sticker. Now you know where the middle is. And the middle of your caliper is pretty obvious. Go ahead and peel it off. Get this right in the middle, like so. Get one side on. And then if you're doing this with the wheel, you gotta kind of fish it through a little bit. And then start here, go down. And then this is what we call hard card. Go ahead and hard card these down, and go ahead and peel her back. So we have multiple different styles and designs on our website. We have just the Supra large with no Toyota. Then we have this style with the Toyota over the Supra. So this is the new A91 style. All right, like I said in the beginning, it is a very simple install on those 3 parts. If you have any questions whatsoever, please leave a comment down below. You can email us at help@speedindustry.com. Make sure you click the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.